Happy Friday, Classroom 3. Today we are doing March 15, 2020 activity, ELA, Social Emotional. You're going to do the math rhyme, one umbrella, two umbrella. Miss Tiana posts a YouTube video on our page, so you can have the child watch the video and count with Miss Tiana. For math, you are doing activity, the treasure hunt. And what you are to do is just place umbrellas, hats, jackets around your home, anything you use to cover from the rain. Let your child go and find the items and count them after returning. You could say to your child, bring me one thing, and then two, three, four, up to five. So that activity, you just hide items. They want you to go like things that you may use for rain, but you could do any item you have in your house. And you just hide them, treasure hunt. You just hide them and ask the child to bring you two of them, three of them, four, and so on. Again, you could use any, if you don't have umbrellas and hats and jackets, um, you could use anything else around your house. For science and social studies, what's the weather activity? Again, I attached the activity with the lesson plan, but again, if you don't have access to a printer or materials to do the activity, you could just, like I said in my other videos, you could just use things around the house to have the child describe the weather. For example, it's kind of sunny today, so you have them bring you a pair of shades or a hat, anything to block the sun. If it was raining, maybe, have them bring you a raincoat, rain boots, an umbrella, and so on. And for the game 125 move and save, I think yes, we did this game already. I'm going to go down to the activity. This is move and save. Right here. Move and save. Again, yes, we did this. And it's just a small obstacle course that you have, and you have your child go around inside. You can use buckets, anything you have around the house to make a little obstacle course. And the instructions, again, is attached to the lesson plan. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me. And again, I'd like to thank the parents that sent videos and pictures. And for the parents that didn't send it yet, you can still send them when your child did the activity, so I could upload it to the portfolio. Thank you.